Let's turn a simple bedroom into a rustic coastal retreat. Hi, welcome to Living by Coastal, a harbor for coastal home lovers. The goal is to keep the space light and relaxed, while bringing in warmer textures inspired by seaside homes and summer cottages. We'll start with white furniture to brighten the room and keep everything airy. With simple nightstands, a soft upholstered headboard, and a storage bench for texture and balance. Then we'll layer in brass accents with wall sconces and a brass ceiling light to warm up the space and give it a more refined coastal feel. To bring in rustic texture, we'll add natural fibers, like a woven round mirror and a soft natural rug. And finally, blue and white touches. Add striped bedding and throw pillows inspired by classic coastal homes. Then soften everything with white curtains and blinds to keep the room calm, cozy, and add privacy. Look at this. It's the same room with a completely different atmosphere. It's soft, warm, relaxed, and inspired by the coast. You can find all the pieces used in this room in the description below. If you like these coastal makeovers, subscribe and give it a like. Thanks for watching.